tighten the screw on the wall. Yeah, and then hang the machine on the wall. Yeah. Okay, it is so easy. And then this is the power cable. This is the power cable. You should connect with this breaker. Connect with the breaker. And knife cable, natural cable, and earth cable. Yeah, you should connect it. Yeah, connect with the 32 ampere breaker. Connect with the knife cable, natural cable, and earth cable. And please remember, you should connect with the earth cable. Yes, this is the earth cable. Yeah, it will protect your safety. Yes. Yeah, remember to connect with the earth cable. It is very important when you install this machine. Yes, please also remember our instant electric water heater not can connect with the plug. You should connect with the breaker. And then this is the inlet water point. Inlet water point. You should connect with the inlet water pipe. Yeah, connect with the inlet water pipe. Yeah, this is our inlet water pipe. Yeah, this is the water flow valve. You just need to connect it. And also remember, you should put the gas key inside. Yes, just need to connect with the inlet water pipe and tighten it. Hello, welcome to our live show. We are instant electric water heater manufacturer. If you are interested in our water heater, welcome to send your requirement to us. Yeah, tighten the inlet water pipe. And besides, yeah, and this is the outlet water point. You should connect with the this is the shower head. Yeah, you should connect with the outlet water pipe and the shower head. You can also connect with the fecal. Yeah, you should connect with the fecal. Besides, you can also install under the kitchen sink, so you can connect with the outlet water pipe to the kitchen. Yes. This time I connect with the shower head for shower. Yes. And this is the anti-electricity valve. Yeah, it can protect your safety. Yeah, it is very easy to. Yeah, this is the outlet water pipe. Yes. Besides, we also have another option. As you can see, this is the inlet water pipe and this is outlet water pipe. If you install in the bathroom, yeah, this type you can install in the under the kitchen sink. But this model, yeah, this type, the outlet and the inlet and outlet water pipe should the same. Yeah, you should install in the bathroom. Yeah, it is very easy. You have two options. Yes, it is same model but two option. Yes, same model but two option. Yeah, the difference is here. Yes, difference is here. Inlet and outlet. This is the inlet and outlet. Yeah, okay. Two option.